Sam on the helm, and he's talking to Ken, who is...
I'm not talking.
No,
I'm
you're
just
not.
grunting.
Grunting orders. Where's the grunt? There's Ali. Yes. And there's Stuart. There's Carol in the princess chair, but she's really a queen.
You're not going to hear it.
And there's me.
Take the island.
There's a tanker.
Where are we going?
Listen to the
That's the
director.
idea.
And we're approaching St. Kitts. We left St. Eustatius or Stasia, or as I like to say, St. Eustache. And we're approaching St. Kitts, and we'll be rounding this point. We're on a close reach, or close haul. Close reach. And we had a humongous wave this morning that drenched half the crew, and we're just drying out. So that's it for now.